You're here because you're either an employee that's reporting to somebody else, or you're a leader that has others reporting to you. Either way, you're really faced with some significant challenges today in terms of business. Those challenges could be resulting from merger and acquisition activity. Maybe it's a new startup, right sizing, downsizing, outsourcing. There's a lot of issues going on today. You not only have to take care of your day-to-day activities, but you also have to deal with all of these other events. My name is John Moore, and I've been helping companies solve these problems for 30 years. One thing that I did find out in those 30 years is that there are some very common threads woven throughout the people component within business. Those common threads are really 12 steps that really need to be aligned with each other. In my book, Align or Resign, I've taken these 12 steps and I've defined each one of them, and I've shown how each one of those coordinates with the other. The amazing part of these 12 steps is that every company is already performing them. In some cases, you have individuals that are focused and thinking they're doing a really good job on one of those steps, but there really isn't anybody that's looking at all of them together. Here's an opportunity for you to be able to understand these 12 steps and really step in and take more of a leadership position within your organization before somebody else does it for you. Before you get started on the 12 steps, it's important to identify who your customers are. Those customers have needs and expectations, and those need to be documented. Then you can start on the 12 steps. The first grouping are the strategic steps. That involves identifying the products and services that you're going to provide and your strengths and objectives. The processes that are then required, and then the culture to make that all work. The second grouping are the operational steps, the first of which is organization structure that identifies the different roles. Within each of those roles, you want to be able to identify the support, the equipment and tools, and the training that are going to be provided to individuals performing those roles. Performance deals with measuring success, performing jobs at the individual or department level, and then skill management allows you to find those people within your organization. The final grouping of steps are the wrap-up steps, first of which is job descriptions. That includes all that information that I've just described, reward and recognition, and then finally this information is provided to those performing recruiting so they can bring the best people into the organization. Now that you have an understanding of the 12 steps, you can also be confident knowing that the book provides you with an endless supply of examples and stories and case studies and checklists, because all of this work has been done before. Alignment isn't just a solution looking for a place to happen. Alignment solves business problems. And I hope you pick up a copy today of Align or Resign.